get a haircut, you know the truth. The reason you were that awkward weirdo at the party with the red cup in your hand that everybody ignored was because you're chopped. Your genetics are deficient. The wrong sperm won the race.
Dog. Dog, this shit said it fuck. Dog, this shit said it fuck. I didn't even get to the highest level light yet, bro. Oh my god. Little self care, little practice out in the road to talk to people, talking to women. Talk will change your way and way you think about yourself, you have to change the way you think about yourself. A man that is defeated twice is the man that is not confident in himself, you see? God say I know. Confidence carry enough of your way through. Even if you think so you're ugly, if all of you other things say you're ugly, right, you don't have to care about that. You don't have to care about it. You have to work with what you're born with. Unless you want to end up like one of them man who do the height surgery and know him can't walk again. Fucking idiot. Fucking fool like God.